Hello my friends, welcome to Joystick. In this video, I will show you how to install Pandas in any project in Pycharm. So this is a new Python project I have created in Pycharm. In its main.py file, let me import Pandas to show you whether it is already installed. Let me run this main.py file. There you go, it says module not found, error, no module named Pandas. You can see Pandas is not present yet. But let me show you how to install it. It's super easy. All you have to do is come on the left hand side of the Pycharm window and click on this icon that says Python packages. Here you need to click on this search bar and type here Pandas. When you type Pandas in the search bar, you may see many packages with the name Pandas, but make sure you select the one simply called Pandas. That's the official library maintained by the Pandas development team. The others are different third-party packages related to Pandas. When you have selected Pandas, come to the right hand side of the Pycharm screen. Here you are going to see the install button. Now if you click on it, it's going to install the latest version. But if you want to install a particular version, then open this drop down and select that version and then click on install. So let me show you how to install the latest version. Now click on install and you can see the installation of Pandas package has begun. It is also installing NumPy along with Pandas. Alright, the installation is completed, and if you have noticed, then the red line below Pandas has vanished. This is an indication that it has been successfully installed. Let's run some Pandas code. So I'm going to create some data super quickly. Here is my data that is going to have a single column. Now let me convert it into a Pandas data frame. So let me quickly write df equals to pandas dot data frame and within its brackets data. It was already suggesting that. And let me print the data frame like this. If this code works, that means we have successfully installed the Pandas. Let's run main.py. There you go. It has printed the data frame. And this proves that we have successfully installed Pandas in a new project in Pycharm. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Pandas in Pycharm from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.